So eto mga sangkay, tapos na ba ang digmaan dyan sa Middle East? Bakit ganito po mga sangkay ang statement ni Donald Trump? Alright guys, pag-usapan po natin to kasi may mga pahayag po na kakaiba ngayon si Donald Trump na ano ba, matatapos na ba ang gera mga sangkay? Pag-usapan po natin. Anyway, bago tayo magtuloy-tuloy sa mga hindi pa po dyan nakakapag-subscribe, makikita nyo po yung subscribe button sa baba ng video na to. I-click nyo lamang po yung subscribe, i-click ang bell at i-click nyo po yung all. Sa mga nanonood naman po sa Facebook, i-follow nyo po yung ating Facebook page. Okay. Ngayon kasi guys, ito yung balita. Trump says Iran talks have been very good. Nag-usap daw po sila ng Iran. At ayon po sa kanya, gusto na daw pong isettle ito, ayusin ng Iran. Totoo kaya yan mga sangkay? Well, tingnan po natin.
As I announced earlier, based on preliminary conversations between the United States and Iran over the past 2 days, I've directed the Department of War to temporarily postpone planned strikes against major energy and electricity targets in Iran. They have very, very big, new, actually, and very expensive, billions of dollars it costs to build them. One missile, one of our powerful ones, and it comes down to the ground like it was made out of dust. But to determine whether a broader agreement can be reached, we've had very good discussions, very, very good discussions. And you have to understand, I know my whole life has been a negotiation, but with Iran, we've been negotiating for a long time. And this time, they mean business.
Okay. Nag-uusap daw po sila ng Iran. Pero ang Iran kasi, panay tanggi. Hindi daw totoo yung mga pinagsasabi ni Donald Trump. So ano talaga ang totoo dyan, mga sangkay? Ayan o. Trump says Iranian leadership gave us a very significant. Ito, tingnan po natin. Kasi magtataka ka talaga mga sangkay kasi ano ang ano ba talaga yung ano talaga yung totoo na nangyayari? Kasi kung totoo po yung sinasabi po nila mga sangkay na nakikipagkwentuhan na o nakikipag-usap na yung Iran, bakit po iba yung sinasabi ng Iran mga sangkay? O ito.
We killed all their leadership, and then they met to choose new leaders, and we killed all of them. And now we have a new group, and we can easily do that, but let's see how they turn out. We have really regime change. You know, this is a change in the regime.
Okay, meron na daw pong pagbabago sa regime ng Iran. So ano yun?
Because the leaders are all very different than the ones that we started off with that created all those problems. So this was, I think we can say, Jason, this is regime change, right?
What makes you trust them?
I don't trust anybody. I don't trust you. I mean, that's only because I know you. But if I didn't know you, I'd probably have more trust. But I don't trust anyone.
Why bother
Why
talking to them?
Why do you say that? Why do you say what makes you trust? Do you think I trust them? I don't trust them
Then why bother talking to them?
because they're going to make a deal. They're going to make a deal. They did something yesterday that was amazing. Actually, they gave us a present, and the present arrived today. And it was a very big present worth a tremendous amount of money. And I'm not going to tell you what that present is, but it was a very significant prize.
So ano yung bibigyan pa ng pera yung Amerika ng Iran, mga sangkay, para lang matigil yung digmaan? Kasi inoobserbahan po natin ngayon yung action, yung galawan po ni Trump, mga sangkay. Tapos, pag nagsalita siya, hindi magtutugma sa sinasabi ng Iran. So, ano talaga Ano kaya talaga yung totoo dyan? Mga sangkay, kasi kung hindi nagtutugma, ibig sabihin, gumagawa po ng kwento ang Amerika. To confuse the people, mga sangkay. Kasi pansinin nyo every time na maglalabas ng statement ng US, iba ang sasabihin ng Iran.
And they gave it to us, and they said they were going to give it, so that meant one thing to me: we're dealing with the right people.
Nuclear related?
No, it wasn't nuclear related. It was oil and gas related, and it was a very nice thing they did. But what it showed me is that we're dealing with the right people. Because, you don't know, because the leadership was killed, all gone.
Yan ang pinagmamalaki niya, mga sangkay. Lahat daw po ng mga leader ng Iran, wala na. Na-deads na, mga sangkay. Pinatumba na nila. Which is totoo naman, mga sangkay, di ba? Karamihan po sa mga leader ng Iran, talagang wala na. Burado na. Yung natitira na lang, yung anak daw ni Khamenei. Ewan ko kung totoong buhay pa yun, mga sangkay. Sabi, wala na din daw. Kasi may sinasabi si Trump, iba na po itong leadership ngayon eh. So, sino kaya yan?
Khomeini, all gone.
Yun, di ba? Khamenei. Wala na rin po. So, lahat daw po ng Khamenei, wala na. So, sino to? Sino tong papasok?
As the expression goes, the past supreme leader, and then the new supreme leader was
Ito, new Supreme Leader was?
racked up, at a minimum, racked up pretty good, and everyone else was gone. And then many of the people in the third tier are gone, but we're dealing with a group of people that I think turn out, and the present, the gift they made to us was very significant, and they said they were going to do it, and it happened, and they're the only ones that could have done it. Jennifer?
Related to the Strait of Hormuz and the flow of
Yeah, it was related to the flow and to the strait, yeah.
Okay. So, ayan, mga sangkay, yan po yung sinasabi ni Donald Trump na okay na daw, wala na. Tapos na yung laban. Kumbaga, nag-uusap na kami. May mga ibang nagsasabi, mga sangkay, na ito daw pong gera na ito, ginawa ni Trump is panikip butas daw po sa Epstein files. Pwede. Kasi kasali po siya dun eh. At hanggang ngayon, di pa rin po nilalabas yung kabuuhan nun. So, ito po yung palaisipan ngayon sa USA. Anong laro ang kanilang ginagawa? Kasi kung totoo yun, mga sangkay, na may change of leadership na, dapat lalabas po yan sa sa Iran eh. Pero iba yung sinasabi ng Iran eh. Yung presidente ng Iran, iba yung sinasabi. Nagsisinungaling ang US. Well, kayo mga sangkay, tingin nyo ba tapos na po yung digmaan? Kasi kung tayo lang, gusto po natin talaga tapos na kasi naghihirap po yung buong mundo eh. 'Di ba? Yung oil crisis ngayon, malala. Well, ano po ang inyong opinion? Comment down below. Meron tayong YouTube channel. Ito po ay Sangkay Revelation. Dito po natin upload mga sangkay yung mga magaganda pang content na kapupulutan po ng kaalaman at aral. Hanapin nyo po ito sa YouTube, Sangkay Revelation. Then click the subscribe, click the bell, and click all. Ako na po ay magpapaalam. Mag-iingat pong lahat. God bless everyone.